Look, I've been involved in the innovation and technology startup space in Queensland and have been to a couple of SportX events and have just found that they're of enormous value, almost regardless of the agenda. The collection of people in the room are really the core drivers of the entire sports innovation technology sector in Queensland. So if you want to be connected with all of the movers and shakers that are driving sports and innovation technology forwards, these events are really the place to come. Such a diverse group of people. We had a guy on our table that does innovative lighting solutions for stadiums, and then you've got a guy doing hardware and software around brain training and neuro training. So you just never know who you're going to meet, and it's not just about opportunities for your business, but it's also about opening up your perspective about actually what's out there in the landscape. We're about to launch a technology we've been building for 4 years. So it's all about connecting with government, with other partners and innovative companies to collaborate to drive the outcomes forwards as we come to market.